In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a QuickBooks Online trial, which will help you get familiar with the software. First, you'll want to start by navigating to quickbooks.intuit.com. This is the home page of QuickBooks, and it's your gateway to managing finances more effectively. Once you're there, locate the free trial option and give it a click. You'll then be guided through creating an account. The beauty of this trial is that you have a full 30 days to explore and practice without any financial commitment. It's an excellent opportunity to dive into the program without the pressure of making a purchase right away. One of the fantastic tools available to you during this trial period is a sample company file. This is a preset company profile that QuickBooks offers specifically for practice purposes. To access it, head over to your dashboard. From there, click on Switch Company and then select Practice Company. This feature is a safe space for you to experiment with the various functionalities QuickBooks has to offer. The best part? None of the actions you take in the sample company will affect your actual data, allowing you to test out different features and get comfortable with the interface. As you begin exploring, focus on some key features that are essential for managing business finances. Let's begin with banking. QuickBooks allows you to connect a sample bank account, which then lets you practice importing transactions. This is vital as it ensures your records match up with reality and keeps everything neatly organized. Next, move on to invoices and sales. You'll have the chance to create sample invoices and even track the payments. This ensures you get the hang of managing customer transactions seamlessly. When it comes to expenses and bills, QuickBooks lets you enter bills, categorize various expenses, and manage payments all within the system. Lastly, you can generate reports. By running a profit and loss statement, balance sheets, or cash flow reports, you gain valuable insights into the financial health of a business. To enhance your learning, QuickBooks Online has built-in tutorials and help guides. If you need assistance, click on the help icon, represented by a question mark, and head to QuickBooks Tutorials. These tutorials offer step-by-step exercises, making it easy to follow along and reinforce your understanding of different features. It's always beneficial to practice regularly. Try setting up fake transactions weekly to keep honing your skills. Experiment by reconciling accounts, creating budgets, or running various reports. Frequent practice will help solidify your understanding and make you more proficient in using QuickBooks Online. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to mastering the essentials of QuickBooks Online. Enjoy your free trial and make the most out of this learning experience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.